This is the Euro Aussie dollar. I'm going to go through a step-by-step process in how I traded this currency. As you can see, I have a horizontal support and resistance line drawn. I also have my diagonal line drawn here. This diagonal line represents the diagonal level of a resistance. Also, this horizontal line represents a resistant line as well. So what I'm waiting for two things: a close above the diagonal resistant line and a close above the horizontal resistant line. Once those two things happen, I can start looking for a buy limit order. All right, I got a close above the level here, but I'm still waiting for a close above the horizontal level before I can put my limit order in. I have my target at the 1.63079 level, but I'm also going to have other targets. And with that, I'm going to use a Fibonacci tool to draw my targets. All right, right here, this diagonal line represents the support level of a wedge, that dark blue line. The light blue is my resistance level of a wedge. Some traders may want to take the trade when the break and close of this level of the wedge, but it's so close to horizontal level, I want to wait for a close above the horizontal level before deciding. All right, right now I'm drawing my Fibonacci levels for my targets. All right, you can see my targets is the 786 level. My other target is the 1.618 level. And I actually had a third target as well, the 618. I like the 618 level, so there's 3 targets. As you can see right here, price went above the 382 level, but you need to wait for a close on a daily time frame. So I'm waiting on a close. Also, I want to highlight the confluence of the horizontal key level with the Fibonacci level. Here, 786 level. Here's another horizontal level of confluence at the 382 level. All right, here's another view of the setup. This view is one without the wedge support line. And then I added it back to get different views so I can memorize my trades. This can be easily drawn this way. Technical analysis is both a form of an art and science, so every trader's chart will look different. Right here, I use a circle to mark a pin bar. This tells me this is a more added for a high probability trade. So added that. All right, I got my close above the level here. So it appears the market has left without me, but I'm not concerned about that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick to my trading plan and trading strategy is to wait for a retest of the horizontal support and resistance line and the Fibonacci level 0.382. So I'm gonna wait on it. But at this moment, I already have my buy limit order placed. And then you see after a few days has passed, market has reached almost, right exactly at the 382 level and the Fibonacci level and the horizontal level. You can see it right here. And then market went off into its intended direction there. As you can see here, they hit the target 618, hit the target 786. Market is still moving upwards. And this is another view, how you can view your charts without the candlestick. Measuring how the distance going to the 786 level, which is 219.9 pips. The next level here you can see at 343.3 pips. Here's the weekly view. Remember, my final target is a 1.618 level. Some traders perhaps would have gotten out the trade at this point, but you need to really stick to your trading plan and your trading strategy. My target is a 1.618, so I'm sticking with the strategy and sticking with the plan, because over time, taking profits early will not have a positive impact over a series of trades. In other words, let your trades run, let it hit your take profits, and over a series of trades, your profits at the end of the year would be much higher than taking profits early. So get in the habit of letting the market take you out, and over a series of trades, you'll see a significant impact on your equity curve. All right, I stuck to the plan. The market hit exactly at the 1.618 level. And here's another view. So this is an example of how I trade the markets. I use horizontal support and resistance lines, and I use a technical pattern. The technical pattern can be a pennant or it can be a wedge. In this case, it was a wedge. There are times I just use only a trend line. In this case, it'd be this line here. Just a diagonal line and a horizontal line. Well, this is an example of how you can trade the markets. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a good evening.